12 Best Places to Visit in Romania, Romania Travel Guide. Welcome back, fellow travelers. Today, we're taking you on an exciting journey through the enchanting land of Romania. Get ready to explore the 12 best places to visit in Romania. From picturesque castles to breathtaking landscapes, Romania has something for every adventurer at heart. Let's dive in. One, Bucharest, the capital. Standing in front of the Palace of the Parliament, our first stop is Bucharest, the vibrant capital of Romania. Known for its fascinating mix of modern and historical architecture. Bucharest boasts the impressive Palace of the Parliament. The second largest administrative building in the world. Take a stroll through the old town to immerse yourself in the city's charming atmosphere. Two, Grand Castle, the Dracula's Castle. Standing in front of Bran Castle, next up, we have the legendary Bran Castle. Often associated with the fictional character, Dracula. This stunning medieval fortress sits atop a hill, surrounded by misty landscapes. A must-visit for history and vampire enthusiasts. Three, Sibiu, a medieval gem. Walking through the cobblestone streets of Sibiu, prepare to be transported back in time as we explore Sibiu. This medieval gem is filled with well-preserved architecture, ancient towers, and delightful squares. Don't miss the Brukenthal National Museum for some incredible art collections. Four, Palace Castle, Fairy Tale Retreat. Marveling at the beauty of Palace Castle, hidden among the Carpathian Mountains, Palace Castle is a true fairy tale retreat. Its neo-Renaissance architecture and stunning gardens make it one of the most impressive castles in Europe. Five, Cluj-Napoca, City of Culture. Engaging with locals in Cluj-Napoca, a city filled with vibrant energy and rich cultural heritage, awaits us. Visit the Cluj-Napoca Botanical Garden and the Hungarian State Theatre for an authentic taste of this city's diverse culture. Six, the Painted Monasteries of Bukovina. Admiring the painted frescoes, hidden in the northern part of Romania, the Painted Monasteries of Bukovina are a UNESCO World Heritage Site. These monasteries are adorned with vibrant frescoes that depict religious scenes and historical events. Seven, Transfăgărașan Highway, a scenic drive. Host, driving along Transfăgărașan Highway. Buckle up for an exhilarating drive on the Transfăgărașan Highway. Known as one of the most scenic roads in the world, it offers breathtaking views of the Carpathian Mountains. 8. Siașora, birthplace of Dracula. Wandering through Siașora's medieval streets, Siașora, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is the birthplace of the real Vlad the Impaler, the inspiration for Bram Stoker's Dracula. The clock tower and the church on the hill are must-visit spots here. Nine, Danube Delta, a nature lover's paradise. On a boat tour in the Danube Delta, let's venture into the Danube Delta, a true nature lover's paradise. This biodiverse region is home to unique flora and fauna, making it a perfect destination for birdwatching and ecotourism. Ten, Brasov, gateway to the Carpathians. Standing on top of Mount Tampa in Brasov, the gateway to the Carpathian Mountains, offers a delightful blend of medieval charm and modern amenities. Don't miss the Black Church and the panoramic views from Mount Tampa. (11) Retezat National Park, Hiker's Delight. Hiking through Retezat National Park, nature enthusiasts, this one's for you. Retezat National Park boasts majestic mountains, crystal clear lakes, and diverse wildlife. It's a hiker's delight. Maramuresh, land of wooden churches. Standing in front of a wooden church, last but not least, we're exploring Maramuresh, a region known for its beautiful wooden churches and traditional rural life. Experience the unique Maramuresh Mary Cemetery. Where death is celebrated with colorful tombstones. And there you have it, our top 12 picks for the best places to visit in Romania. From the vibrant cities to the breathtaking landscapes. Romania has captured our hearts, and we're sure it'll capture yours too. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell, so you won't miss our future adventures. Until next time, safe travels. Show the host with a subscribe button, previous videos, and other relevant information. The script can be further adapted and expanded to match the desired duration and style of the YouTube video. Additionally, make sure to include relevant visuals and footage to complement the narration and showcase the beauty of each location.